Good morning, student. In this edition of a lecture, we will learn and analyze the chemical equations, that how chemical equations are important for the making of product from the reactants. So, in activity 1.1, earlier we analyzed the magnesium ribbon is burned in oxygen and into gets converted into magnesium oxide. So that is the basic fundamental physical change occurs in magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon. This description of a chemical reaction in a sentence form is quite long and it can be written in a shorter form. The simplest way to do this is to write in the form of a word equation. So chemical equation is made up of two components, and that is reactants and product. In the left hand side there is the presence of reactants, and in the right hand side there is a presence of product. So the product is made up of the two different or the same reactants. The substance that undergo chemical change in the 1.1 activity, that magnesium and oxygen are the reactants. In early activity, the magnesium and oxygen are the reactants, and the new substance is formed, that is called magnesium oxide. So, what are the word equations? A word equation shows that change of reactants to products through an arrow placed between them. The reactants are written on the left hand side, so the reactants are written on the left hand side, and the product is written on right hand side. So in the left hand side there is a presence of two different reactants. One is magnesium and the second one is oxygen, and add plus sign between them. The plus sign shows that inclusion of different reactants, or the inclusion of different reactants. It means magnesium add with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, and this arrow is responsible for making a final product. So our final product of magnesium plus oxygen reactants is magnesium oxide. So the ash which coming from the magnesium ribbon is nothing but a ash of magnesium oxide. So writing a chemical reaction, how we can write a chemical reaction, and what is the role of chemical reaction in the what is the role of chemical equation in the chemical reaction? So is there any other way shorter than a way for representing chemical equations? Chemical equations can be made more concise and useful if we use chemical formula instead of words. So instead of words, I, if we put the chemical formula, then it would be easy for us to recognize a particular chemical equation. So a chemical equation represents a chemical reaction, and if you recall formula of magnesium oxygen and magnesium oxide, the above word equation can be written as, so the formula of magnesium is Mg and the formula of oxygen is O2. So the final product made by these two reactants are MgO, which is called magnesium oxide, and magnesium oxide is a product of magnesium plus oxygen. So using chemical formula in a chemical equation is more quantifiable, is more easy to learn, despite of putting words, despite of putting full words. So count and compare the number of atoms of each element on the left hand side, which is reactant, and right hand side, which is product of the arrow, Is the number of atoms of each element the same on the both sides? If yes, then the equation is balanced. If not, then the equation is unbalanced. So, for writing a chemical equation, it must you must be ensured that the chemical equation is balanced. The number of atoms, the number of atoms in reactant is equal to the number of atoms present in the product. If the equation is unbalanced, it means because the mass is not the same on the both side of the equation. If the equation is unbalanced, it means the mass is different different from product and reactant. So such a chemical equation is a skeletal chemical equation for the reaction. So the unbalanced reaction or unbalanced chemical reaction is also called skeletal chemical equation for a reaction. So balanced chemical equations, how we balance the equation balanced. So recall the law of conservation of mass that you studied in class 9. What are the conservation of mass? That mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So for making chemical equation balanced, the mass must be same for reactant as well as product. So the total mass of the elements present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal the total mass of element present in the reactant. So the mass of zinc plus sulfuric acid, for example, the mass of zinc plus sulfuric acid is equal to zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. So in the equation that we are going to learn that Zn and H2SO4, that is a reactant. Presence of 1 zinc, presence of 2 hydrogen atom, and presence of 4 sulfur dioxide. So the reactant is ZnSO4 plus H2. In both the equations, there is the presence of only 1 zinc atom. In both the equations, there is presence of SO4, presence of 4 sulfur dioxide molecule, and presence of 2 hydrogen molecule. 1 hydrogen molecule, presence of 2 atoms of hydrogen molecule, 1 from reactant and 1 from the product. So the chemical equations are balanced. So the main fundamental structure of chemical equation is to make a balanced chemical equation. The balanced chemical equation is made from the mass of atoms, the atomic mass. The mass of atom must be same of reactant as well as product. So in the next edition of online lecture, we will analyze the steps of chemical reactions or the steps of fundamental balance chemical equations.